We as a group decided to choose the 6th Street Shelter and work with them because of their mission and what they do within the community of promoting the families, giving them a place to live, and then also helping them with their finances so that they will never be back in that situation of being homeless. So it's not just a place to get out off the street, it helps them grow and be able to then sustain themselves and their families. So Wells Fargo was offered the opportunity to adopt an apartment. We chose the largest apartment that was within the facility, and with that, that means that we showed up, set it up, built the furniture for it, and then furnished it with other things, as well as getting it set up with plates and knives and soap and toothbrushes and all of those things. So when you adopt an apartment, you take on full ownership of it, and then when a family leaves, we then go and clean it up. If it needs to be painted, we do that as well, and then go back through that restocking process, you know, new sheets, new pillows, new towels, more food, more pots and pans, more blenders, and all of that.
And that's huge, knowing that just a little bit of my time to put together an apartment and make 4 walls feel more like a home for somebody for even a short amount of time, that made a world of difference. And it made me feel like taking a Sunday out of my week to go and put a kitchen table together and make a bed with some, warm sheets and a little stuffed animal on the pillow. It makes a world of difference to somebody else. I'm happy to be able to give my time.